So we're going to go ahead and check out Deborah's shop next. And Deborah has she has a cheerful nest. All right. A cheerful nest from Deborah. And got a nice banner up here, established 2016. And you're welcome, Mary. We got all sorts of cool looking, look at these DNA earrings. Man, those are cool. DNA earrings, double helix earrings, genetic earrings, sciencey earrings. I like it. All good keywords there. I think you could add even a few more, but I think your keywords are very on point. Sciencey earrings. I like it. Let's try DNA earrings. And let's see what we got here. They all feel like very on point. There we go. 1,044 results for that one. Pretty good there. And let's try double helix. The double helix. Oops, didn't type it in. Double helix, 4,875. Okay. So now what's really weird, I don't know why I'm not seeing anything that looks very double helixy. So that's one of the funny things sometimes is you'll search a keyword and it will bring up all sorts of things that look nothing like what you're selling. And double helix is such a specific phrase. So I don't know why there's no, there's very few, of the double helixes appearing. There is a couple under this keyword, but not a whole lot. So I was going to say this is the bigger, better keyword, but none of the products appearing, only like a very small amount, or like this one right here, are the only ones that actually are the DNA little things. They're the double helixes. So wouldn't necessarily say go for that one. I think your keywords are in the right position right here. So there we go. I love that. Love that photo. It's bright. It's easy to see. You can see them hanging there. You can see the hooks. It gives me all of the information that I should know about it. And I like that I could see the, just how long everything is. Gives me all the details. There we go. I like that too. Another way to kind of show it off. Here you are holding it. Here we are against a measurement so I can see how big it is. They're about 1 inch long. Here it is against a dime. So you went all out. I like it. I like that you're showing the product off in a lot of different ways and showing off how big it is. I think that's really nice to have there. So that looks really good. And you do have a great review ratio too. 141 out of 500 sales is really good. So great job on that. So we got the materials over here. Ships from small business in Florida. DNA double helix. Elegant pewter double helixes. Your double helix earrings will arrive in an organza pouch with matching jewelry cloth. Gift wrapping upon request. One other photo that you could add that you could probably put on all of your listings is what the packaging looks like, especially with jewelry. People buy jewelry a lot as a gift, and showing what it's going to look like is great. Because if I was going to buy this for my girlfriend, I'd like to know that it's going to come and it's going to look really pretty, and the packaging is going to look nice. So one little kind of detail you could think of is just to show a photo of the default packaging and then show a photo of the gift wrapping as well. But let's see what else. Okay, great job. Lots and lots of items. That's just one of the things that'll make your shop win, guys, is just having a lot of, a lot of different stuff to put into your shop. When you have more products you have, and of course you want high quality products, but the more products you have, you see, Deborah's got 264 items here. And she's got 500 sales. She's doing good. But it's also because she's got more opportunities to appear in the search results. She just has more. The more products you have, the more opportunities you have to get ranked in the search results and get sales. And we can see right here, she's got these bird skulls. She's got mushrooms. She's got more mushrooms. She got some masks. She's got double helix. She's got bugs. She's got silver bugs, gold bugs, cicadas. I mean, there's just a wide variety of products here. And it's important with your shop to not get too kind of blocked into just selling a really small category of things. You want to kind of break it out and sell a wide variety of stuff, and not like it's got to be completely different product categories, but just the more things you can put into your shop, the more products, usually the more opportunities you have to sell, and therefore the more sales you're going to make. So let's check these ones out, because these, I just think, I don't know why they're so cool. Unisex bird skull earrings, skull earrings, goth bird skull earrings, pewter bird skull earrings, and skull jewelry. So really cool. Like the keywords there. I will say that first image is a little fuzzy. I can see it pretty good right here, but it does have a haze on it, if you can see what I mean. Like compared to these guys, these ones are real shiny and easy to see, and this one's just like a bit of a darker kind of a haze going on. The mushroom earrings, they have been your best sellers. Okay, very cool. Mushrooms, they are in. I couldn't agree more. Enameled mushrooms, and when you have a winner like that, if you've got a winner product, one of the ways you can scale the winner product is by duplicating the listing and then moving the keywords around and trying to hit some of the other keywords. So like I said, the first keyword is always the most important. And right here, you've got enameled mushrooms earrings. So if you duplicated this listing, maybe this one right here, Amanita mushroom earrings is a good keyword. You could make that your first keyword on your new listing. And that way you're giving it some, just some extra attention, you could say, or some extra, you're just giving it more weight, more opportunity. So your first keyword is the most important keyword on your listing. That's the one that Etsy is going to give the most attention to. And if you've got a really good item and a lot of different keywords, the best way to scale it is to come in here, copy the listing, and then put, fantastic fungi earrings is your number one. Your next listing, fly agaric mushroom earrings, magic mushroom earrings, all the different keywords that you've got on there. Let's check this one out. These ones are super cute. I like it. And you've done so many nice, you've given us so many nice little previews of it. We've got it with a dime. We got it against a piece of wood. We got it hung over a piece of metal. All really, really, really cute. So let me look at those bird skull. So let's see what the date is. October 14th. Really good there. You've been renewing the heck out of your bestsellers. Awesome. Have you noticed any different? I'd love to know what if you have. I'm so curious if you've noticed any difference and for how long you have been doing that for, because renewing is so important. When you've got good products that people like and that sell, go in there and renew. It's so affordable. It's so easy to do. And it's like free money, because it almost always is going to give you a boost in the traffic, and it'll help you get ranked on the keywords faster. It will help you get, stay up there for longer, and it's going to attract more people. So I recommend renew every time you make a sale, but on good products that people like. Like, I don't necessarily think you need to renew a product all the time if it's not a winner. You can do it to kind of give it a boost to see if it becomes a winner. But if it doesn't become a winner, then don't keep renewing it. Awesome. Huge difference since I started renewing. Best suggestion over. And it's so simple, right? It's so easy. So I'm thrilled. Thank you so much for the feedback, Deborah. Love the shop. Love the things you have here. And it looks like you've done a good job with your photos, your keywords, your pricing. One thing you could even do is be like a little bundle sale. If you could add like a package deal if people buy multiple things, or if you wanted to give like a discount, like on order values over X amount of dollars. So you have, your average price is what, $14 and $16. If you could give them like a price break that if they bought $40 worth of stuff, which 14 times 3 would only be 42. That if they bought $40 worth of stuff, they get like 20% discount. That could also help you increase your average order value to like three orders per, or three purchases, three products per order, because they'd have to purchase 3 different earrings to hit that $40 mark. So just a little something to think about there. But great job, Deborah. Love the shop. Keep it up.